My name is Brad, this is Woodcraft. We're gonna make something out of this. Stick around. So if you build cedar planers, you probably have a ton of cutoffs just everywhere in your shop. I'm gonna teach you how to make something kind of handy. You might want it. Some people like them. I don't know. What we're gonna do first is rip down all of these strips to 1 1/4 inches, and then we're gonna run them through the planer. What I've got here is 3 pieces that are glued up. They're about just a little over 5 inches each. Okay, and that's going to give me 6 of the things that we're building. And I didn't show you the glue up because my camera died. Is he still alive? Dies one more time, it's going to be traded off for something different. Yeah, they're Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. I said it. That's all glued up. Now we'll give it time to dry. So I'm gonna go take a break. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out of clamps. They should be good enough. I'm going to scrape some glue off and see where we are. All right, if you've made it this far with me, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because when you do, and you comment cutting board in the comment section, you're going to get in a drawing for that big cutting board that I talked about in my last video. And if you haven't seen it, check out this link right here, or down here. It's all about the knife rack that I made. There's at the end of the video, if you stick around, it tells you how to win this cutting board. And it's a nice one. 15 by 19, 2 1/4 inches thick, solid cherry end grain cutting board. Online, they're selling upwards of $500. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and run these through the joiner, the planer, then I'm gonna cut them down to size, and you'll see what we're making. So I'm going to go ahead and put a stop lock on here. Coasters, big, chunky cedar coasters. We're going to sand them down a little bit, put some oil on them, and yeah, there you go. All right, we started with some fence picket cutoffs. Cut them down to 1 1/4 inch strips, ran them through the planer, made them nice and flat, glued them all together, and ended up with these really cool chunky coasters. So out of that little pile that I got 6 of these nice chunky coasters. Now, you could probably sell this set for 25, 30 bucks just from scrap wood. So get out there, and make something of the scraps that you have in your yard. I mean, you can do this with pallet wood, you can do it with old 2x4s. I just happen to do a lot of work with cedar pickets, so I have a lot of cedar pickets left over. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, now is a great time to do it. Subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, but most of all, leave a comment. Make sure that you mention you would like to win that big cutting board that I'm giving away. That should be a picture of it somewhere in here right now. Mention that cutting board and I'll put your name in the drawing, but you have to be a subscriber. I'm not going to give it to any of you slackers who are not subscribed. So please subscribe, like, and all the good stuff. Thanks for sticking around. Get out in your shop, go make something cool. We'll catch you next time.